Every click, every stream, every message seems invisible. But the internet is not weightless. It has a footprint. Behind the cloud are servers consuming vast amounts of electricity. The internet depends on real resources, rare earth minerals, metals, and endless energy.
Streaming a movie for 2 hours can use as much energy as powering a fridge for a day.
As we upgrade to the latest devices, mountains of electronic waste grow, often shipped to developing countries for unsafe disposal. To prevent overheating, data centers consume billions of liters of fresh water, an invisible but critical cost of our online lives. AI for energy efficiency, green data centers, right to repair movements. The internet connects us all, but connection comes with responsibility. Our digital choices shape the physical world. The question is, how sustainable can we make the web of tomorrow?